Hey y'all, today I'm going to share with you how I prep and maintain my hair and scalp for my protective styles using the Royal Oils collection. So I've been wearing protective styles since way back when, and one thing I've always had an issue with is itchy, irritated scalp. So it's really important for me to prep correctly, and recently I found a solution. The first step is to cleanse, and I'm going to cleanse using the Royal Oils Moisture Boost Shampoo with coconut oil. It's a super creamy shampoo that produces a nice rich lather, which gently removes buildup and relieves itchy scalp while lightly moisturizing my hair. And if you know anything about me, you know that I need my shampoos to have slip, and this one definitely does. After I shampoo once, I'm going to rinse and then shampoo again. Since I won't be shampooing my hair once I get my protective style, I want to be sure that all of the buildup and dandruff are gone and my hair is nice and clean. The next step is to deep condition, and I'm going to do that by using the Royal Oils Deep Moisture Mask with coconut oil to deeply hydrate and condition my hair. The coconut oil is going to keep my hair nice and strong and help retain hydration, while the zinc will help keep my scalp itch-free and balanced. This mask literally just melts all of my tangles and has tons of slip that I look for in a deep conditioner. After finger detangling and making sure that each strand is coated, I'm going to go ahead and wear a plastic cap for 10 minutes for an extra deep treatment. When the 10 minutes is up, it's time to rinse, and my hair is already feeling super soft and extra hydrated. And after towel drying my hair, you can see that my hair has lots of natural sheen and my curls are popping even without any product. Now to prep my hair for blow drying, I'm going to use the Pantene Gold Series Leave-In Detangling Milk to help soften and hydrate my hair and to strengthen it for the following steps. Besides smelling absolutely divine, it instantly softens my hair, allowing me to detangle without a fuss. And as I detangle my hair, I like to twist each section as I go for more control. Now to prep my scalp, I'm using the Royal Oils Instant Soothe Scalp Elixir directly on my scalp to help prep my scalp for the protective style in order to keep any itch at bay. This one is definitely a game changer and is my favorite product from the Royal Oils collection. It's formulated with a blend of menthol and peppermint oils, which give an instant relief and a cooling sensation to the scalp while relieving itch and retaining moisture for 24 hours. So I like to take my time with this step and part my hair in close sections to be sure to treat all of my scalp. This elixir can also be used during the duration of your protective style as well. Now I'm using the Pantene Gold Series Intense Hydrating Oil, which is infused with argan oil to protect my hair from the heat and to weightlessly seal in the moisture. Remember that after all, this is a protective style, so you're going to want your hair and scalp to be protected, so it's vital to use the right products in order to make that happen. Now I'm going to take smaller sections and using the tension method to initially dry my hair and straighten it on a low heat setting. When it's almost 100% dry, I like to take a brush to get the hair much smoother, especially my ends. And I'm just going to repeat that process to each section of my hair until I'm done. When I'm done, my hair is light and hydrated and my scalp is clean and itch-free. Then I like to take my hair and put it in a low bun to ensure that my hair stays smooth and doesn't revert. After getting my hair braided, my scalp doesn't give me any issues for a couple of weeks because I've properly prepped my hair and scalp. And even with an active lifestyle, my scalp does well. But when I do need to refresh my scalp, I've been loving the Royal Oils Daily Moisture Scalp Cream with coconut oil to help combat any dry and itchy scalp and dandruff. I really love this product because it absorbs right into my scalp without leaving residue, and the nozzle makes it super convenient to apply right onto the scalp. So I just squeeze a little bit onto my scalp, rub it in, and it absorbs right into my scalp and conditions it nicely. I also found that this product helps relieve any excess tension around my hairline from the braids being braided a little tight, so that's definitely a plus for me. The Royal Oils collection has definitely been a relief for me and helps me wear my protective styles for much longer, so I definitely think that they can help you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Don't forget to check out the Royal Oils collection at your local CVS next time you shop there. You can also find the products listed in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and set your notifications, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.